Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a chicken lava song in Minecraft. First, you'll need to build a secure, enclosed space for your chickens. Make sure it's large enough to hold many. Next, set up a hopper and chest system underneath to automatically collect all the eggs. Finally, position a dispenser directly above a small lava source and fill it with eggs. This forms the core of our musical contraption. Now, let's get to the lava song part. Below your egg dispenser, create a small, contained lava pit. This is where the magic happens. Around this lava, strategically place pressure plates or tripwires. These will act as your musical triggers. Connect each of these triggers to different note blocks, allowing you to produce a variety of sounds when activated. To automate your chicken lava song, you'll need some redstone. First, connect your egg dispenser to a simple redstone clock circuit. This will ensure a continuous flow of eggs into the lava. Next, link the pressure plates or tripwires to multiple note blocks using redstone dust. Experiment with different note block pitches and types to craft your desired melody. To truly perfect your chicken lava song, spend some time fine-tuning. Adjust the redstone clock speed to change the song's tempo and experiment with different note block instruments for unique sounds. Adding more chickens will increase egg production, making your song play more frequently. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.